Operation Blessing is on the ground in Myanmar, providing emergency relief to victims of Cyclone Nargis. When we arrived, we were amazed at the level of destruction. The scenes are very similar to the Asian tsunami. But unlike the tsunami, which saw many international agencies arrive within 48 hours, there are very few aid groups working on the ground still many days after this cyclone, and the situation is growing worse for many victims. OB has been fortunate to be a part of the limited number of organizations that have managed to gain access to Myanmar, and we have been having amazing success in getting aid out to some of the hardest hit areas. On our first day on the ground, we were able to locate an orphanage that had sustained huge destruction. After surviving the storm, the frightened children were going hungry, and we were able to rush several tons of food to them. Food is a priority for most of the victims, and limited access to clean drinking water is already claiming lives and threatening to push the death toll even higher. OB is locating villages that have received no aid and are so cut off that the only way to reach them is by boat. We are delivering tons of food by filling canoes and setting off for sometimes hours at a time to reach these desperate communities. OB is also providing plastic buckets and water purification tablets as an emergency fresh water solution to prevent the spread of disease and death amongst the villagers. This is a horrific disaster, and the numbers of those in need are staggering. It's hot, difficult work, but Operation Blessing is on the ground, getting critical aid into the hands of desperate victims and saving lives during this difficult time in Myanmar.